In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page name on Wix Studio. This is a simple update that can make your site easier to navigate, more consistent, and clearer for your visitors. Whether you're rebranding, reorganizing, or just cleaning up labels, you can do this in a few clicks. First, open the Pages pane on the left. This is where all of your site's pages are listed, and it's the best place to see your structure at a glance. If the pane is collapsed, hover over the left side and click to expand it. You'll see your pages arranged in a list, often grouped by sections or folders, with the current page highlighted. Next, find the page you want to rename and click on the three dots icon next to it. Those three dots open the More Actions menu for that specific page. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct page, especially if you have similar names or duplicate layouts. Clicking the three dots won't open the page itself. It just gives you the options you need. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the Page's Settings panel, where Wix Studio keeps key controls for how the page is labeled and how it behaves. You don't have to dig through other menus. Everything you need for the name change is right here. Now, look for the field where you can change the page's name. Click into that field, type the new name, and keep it clear and concise. Aim for something descriptive so visitors instantly know what to expect. Avoid overly long titles and unnecessary punctuation, which can clutter your navigation. If this page appears in your site menu, the label usually updates to match the new name, helping keep your navigation consistent. In most cases, changes here save automatically, so you can continue working without extra steps. And there you go. That's all it takes to rename a page in Wix Studio. You should now see the updated name in your pages list, and, if applicable, in your site's navigation. As a quick tip, remember that the page name is different from the URL. Renaming the page doesn't change the page's address. That's handled separately in SEO or advanced settings if you decide to adjust it later. Also, try to keep a naming style across your site, either all title case or sentence case, so everything feels unified. To recap, open the Pages pane on the left, click the three dots on the page you want to rename, choose Settings, and change the page's name. Simple, tidy, and effective.